Baby Yoda fan art time it is.
Howdy, y'all. Well, jumping on a bandwagon here and doing a Baby Yoda today. He's adorable. I've been really enjoying the memes on the internet. I've not seen the show or whatever the mandalorian is, but he's cute. I like Star Wars. I'm not, super fan or anything. I've only ever seen the movies and know what my boyfriend has told me, but I like it for what it is, visually. So, anyway, I hope you like watching me paint this cute little Baby Yoda on a random planet. So, whenever I'm painting a galaxy or any type of sky-related thing, I just lay down layers of color. I started out with a thin layer of reds and blues and, do the proper fading. Then I blow dry that, and then I add more layers, sometimes at a bit of a thicker pigment, but that's pretty much how I do it. It's just playing with it and having it fun and just like, ooh, happy little space cloud over here. And that's just all I do. It's just fun. Sometimes I look up photos for reference. NASA has a lot of great photos available for anyone who wants to know. And that's pretty much it. I just have fun with it. And I do it until I think it's pretty. So with this one, I didn't really have a plan for what kind of landscape I wanted to do. I didn't want it to be the main thing someone was looking at. Whenever they look at this piece, the sky and Baby Yoda was all I really cared about. So I just did a simple alien mountain desert scene, because from what I can tell, it looks mostly desert planet from the memes I've seen anyway. So right here, I done effed up and forgot to hit record, so that's why it jumps from laying down the base color of Baby Yoda to him almost being finished. My bad. Oh, and anyone who's curious to do my videos and edit them, I use the Splice app, and it makes it pretty easy. It's cheap, it's easy to use. Every time I use it, I learn something new. So, not sponsored, but if you're curious. The music in the background, the song's called Big World for a Minnow, and I thought that was just perfect for this piece, considering, Yoda's kind of frog-like. I'm pretty sure that's what he's based off of. I'm probably wrong, and I'll get completely booed for that, but anyway, I thought it was perfect. So here's the little dude finished. This is pretty much what I planned using these pearlescent watercolors for when I got them, just mostly space things, because painting space scenes relaxes me. So, Baby Yoda fan art just satisfied that perfectly. Yeah, it turns out awesome. Looks way better in person, yes, because the shimmer, especially those asteroids I got going on, or is it a comet? I think it's a comet. Anyway, I like how he turned out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.